Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to discuss about algebraic fractions. I'll explain this chapter through examples. We'll discuss this first example. The example says we have to simplify these algebraic fractions or terms. So in this case, you know the denominator x, 2x and x. First step, what we have to do, we have to equate. That means all these denominators should come same. That means this should come 2x and this one also 2x. To make 2x, I have to multiply by 2. The same operation I have to do here also. Similarly, this x I have multiplied by 2 and 3 also multiplied by 2. Then I am getting 2x as denominators. So same denominator. Therefore, I can add these numerators. Numerator become 10, 1 and 6. So if you add all these numerators, 17 upon 2x. That is what the final answer. So you must remember, we have to make this denominator same. Example number 2. In this example, they have given here algebraic terms x minus 1, x minus 2 as denominators. Then first step, we have to find the LCM of x minus 1 and x minus 2. How to find LCM I have explained in previous video, so you can go through that one. Then the denominator becomes x minus 1 and x minus into x minus 2. We have to make the denominators similar to this. Then x minus 1 here, I have to multiply by x minus 2 to get this LCM, that denominator. And same operation I have to do here also. Similarly, this x minus 2, I have multiplied by this x minus 1. Similar operation, x minus 1. Here, if you consider these two, if you cancel, again you are getting 4 upon x minus 1. If you cancel these two, simplify these two, 3 upon x minus 2. So, same thing you have done to this algebra, that means this equation. So here, if you operate this bracket, 4 into x, 4x, minus 2 into 4, minus 8, plus 3 into x, 3x, 3 into minus 1, minus 3. So denominator this time again same, x minus 1 into x minus 2. So if you add these numerators, 4x plus 3, 7x, minus 8, minus 3, minus 11. So this is what the answer for this example. So what we have to do here also, we have to find the LCM for these two algebraic terms, and the same algebraic term, that means this one should come as denominator for both. In example 3, same thing we have to follow again. Here 4a and 2 into a plus 3. For these two, the LCM becomes 4a into a plus 3, because 4 and 2, for these two numbers, the LCM is 4, then a into a plus 3. That means the denominator should come 4a into a plus 3. To get this denominator, what we have to do, we have to multiply this 4a by a plus 3, and the same operation I have to do for numerator also, a plus 3. Similarly, here already 2 into a plus 3, that is what it is. I have to multiply by 2a, then this becomes 4. So the same operation here also. Then in next step, you can consider here 3 into a plus 3 upon 4a into a plus 3, and 2a into 2 become 4a into a plus 3. Now if you consider these two the same terms, so when the denominator becomes same, then you can add the numerator. So if you operate the bracket, 3a plus 9, 7 into 2, 14a. Now we can add this 3a and 14a, and 9 is separated there. Final answer become 3 plus 14, 17a plus 9. So in this example also, we have made the numerator, sorry, the denominator, same denominator we have found. Example number 4. In this case, x minus 1, x plus 1, x square minus 1. So you have to remember x square minus 1 means this is similar to a square minus b square. A square minus b square, you can rewrite a minus b into a plus b. So in the similar manner, if you write this example, here 1 upon x minus 1, 3 upon x plus 1 minus 2 upon, instead of x square minus 1, you can write x minus 1 into x plus 1, similar to here. Now we have to find the denominator for this. Then the denominator becomes x minus 1 into x plus 1. You have to make the denominator as x minus 1 into x plus 1. To make that, this x minus 1 I have to multiply by x plus 1. That is what here also I have done. Similarly, x plus 1 I have to multiply by x minus 1. That is what operation here also. This is already there. That means for these LCM is x minus 1 into x plus 3. That is what we have made as a numerator, the denominator. Now x minus 1 into x plus 1, that is common. So you can add these numerators. Here if you operate the bracket, you are getting this answer. 3x minus 3 and this minus 2 is there. Now I am going to add all x values. X plus 4, x plus 3x, that is 4x. Here plus 1, minus 3, minus 2, minus 5, and this is plus 1, therefore minus 4. Now in this case 4 is common, so I can rewrite this 4 as common, so therefore x minus 1 here. So if you consider these two, this x minus 1 and here the x minus 1, both you can simplify, then final answer becomes 4 upon x plus 1. The same method we are following for each example. Next example. Denominator is given as m minus 3, 2m minus 1. Same method. LCM we have to find for these two. That LCM becomes m minus 3 into 2m minus 1. That means you have to make this denominator. Here this is different denominators. You have to make these two as same. Same means like this. That means LCM. So to make m minus 3 into this form, you have to multiply by 2m minus 1. If you do the operation for denominator, same operation you are doing for numerator also. Similarly, 2m minus 1 is here. You are multiplying by m minus 3. Same thing you are doing here also. Now m minus 3 to m minus 1, both we have got the same denominator. So if you multiply this bracket, operate that bracket, 3 into 2, 6m minus 3, this minus 2m minus 6. Next step, denominators are same, therefore I have written that numerator at once, 6m minus 3, this minus is here indicated, and 2m minus 6. Now next step, if you consider, same thing we are getting 6m minus 3, but here this minus sign is there, so minus into this is minus 2m and minus into minus plus 6. You have to be very careful in this point. And this is what the denominator. So if you add this numerator 6m minus 2m, 4m minus 3 and plus 6 plus 3. So this is what the final answer. We'll move to next example. So in this example it will be different. So x minus 2 and here x minus 5x plus 6. What we have to do first, we have to find the factors for this one. So if you find the factors, this already you have done in previous chapters. Now I'll show you how to do. And minus 5x we can rewrite minus 3x minus 2x. That is, you know how to find this one. And in these two x is common, therefore x here 3. If you consider these two terms, here minus 2 is common, therefore x and minus 3, because minus into minus plus. So x minus 3 is common for both, therefore x minus 3, if you write here, x and minus 2 is left. So this is what the factorization of this algebraic expression. Now we'll come to the example. So instead of this one, we can write 2 upon x minus 2 and 1 upon x minus 3 into x minus 2. We are factorizing because here also x minus 2, here also x minus 2. Therefore, we can easily find out the LCM. Then to get this x minus 3 into x minus 2 here also, already x minus 2 is existing. So I am going to multiply by x minus 3. Then same operation I have to do here also, x minus 3. I am doing this operation because to get that same denominator. So now denominators are same, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 2, x minus 3. Now what I have to do, so x minus 2 into x minus 3 is the denominator. So I can operate the bracket 2x minus 6, this minus 1. Then final answer become 2x minus 7 upon x minus 2 into x minus 3. In this all these examples, what we did only that means the same method we followed. You have to remember, you have to make these denominators same. So here x minus 2, here different. So what I have done in this example, I have made these two denominators same, make it same. So that is what throughout these examples we did. So I hope that you got these ideas. You can apply this idea for other examples also. Thank you very much for joining with me. I hope to see you all in my next video. Thank you very much.